I am Neil Armstrong, and I would like to discuss myself and what I might have become if I were alive today.
Neil Armstrong, August 5, 1930 to August 25, 2012, was an American astronaut and aeronautical engineer who made history as the first person to set foot on the moon. He is best known for his famous words when he stepped onto the lunar surface on July 20, 1969, during NASA's Apollo 11 mission, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Armstrong was born in Wapakoneta, Ohio. He developed a passion for aviation from a young age and earned his pilot's license before he even had a driver's license. He studied aeronautical engineering at Purdue University and later pursued a master's degree in aerospace engineering at the University of Southern California. Armstrong served as a naval aviator during the Korean War, flying combat missions. His military experience helped pave the way for his career in test piloting and, ultimately, astronaut selection. Neil Armstrong was selected as an astronaut by NASA in 1962 as part of the second group of astronauts, known as the New Nine. He flew on two space missions, Gemini 8 in 1966 and Apollo 11 in 1969. It was during the Apollo 11 mission that he became the first human to walk on the moon. During the Apollo 11 mission on July 20, 1969, Armstrong and his fellow astronaut, Buzz Aldrin, descended to the lunar surface in the lunar module while Michael Collins orbited the moon in the command module. Armstrong's historic moonwalk lasted about 2.5 hours, during which he and Aldrin collected samples, conducted experiments, and took photographs. After the successful moon landing, Apollo 11 safely returned to Earth on July 24, 1969, becoming one of the most significant achievements in the history of space exploration. Following his lunar mission, Armstrong continued to work at NASA in various roles. He left the astronaut program in 1971 and became a professor of aerospace engineering at the University of Cincinnati. Armstrong was a private individual and generally avoided the public eye. He was married twice and had 3 children. He passed away on August 25, 2012, due to complications from heart surgery. Neil Armstrong is celebrated as a hero and symbol of human exploration and achievement. He was known for his humility and reluctance to seek the spotlight. Armstrong's historic steps on the moon marked a turning point in the space race and inspired countless individuals to pursue careers in science and engineering. Neil Armstrong's name is forever etched in the annals of space exploration, and his contributions to science and humanity continue to be celebrated and remembered.
I am a strong advocate for space exploration during my lifetime. If I were alive today, I might have continued to champion the cause of human space exploration, pushing for ambitious missions to Mars and beyond. I could have lent my voice and expertise to inspire future generations of astronauts and engineers. I might have taken an active role in space policy discussions, providing valuable insights into the priorities and direction of space agencies like NASA, as well as advocating for international cooperation in space exploration. Also, I co-authored several books about my experiences as an astronaut. I might have written additional memoirs or books to share more about my life and thoughts on space exploration. As the first human to walk on the moon, I felt a strong sense of admiration and gratitude for the planet Earth when I observed it from outer space. I was able to see the beauty and fragility of the Earth, as well as the contrast between its blue and green colors and the dark emptiness of space. I might have been involved in environmental causes and climate change awareness, emphasizing the need to protect our planet, drawing on my unique perspective of viewing Earth from the Moon. My experiences as a test pilot and astronaut in the early days of spaceflight might have led me to advocate for a continued partnership between humans and machines in space exploration, highlighting the strengths of each approach. Artificial intelligence plays a significant role in facilitating new discoveries to advance astronautics. If I were alive today, the unmistakable connection between AI and myself would be evident in the current era. I might have been an advocate for renewed lunar exploration, especially in the context of NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon and eventually send astronauts to Mars. I could have provided valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities of such missions.
It's important to remember that Neil Armstrong was a private and modest individual, so any contributions he would have made would likely have been in alignment with his personal values and interests. These predictions are speculative and based on what is known about his character and history.